Wordbird makes words with cat, a short A adventure. Read aloud by Big Papa Scott. "What is in the box?" asked Wordbird one day. "Word puzzles," said Papa. "I can put word puzzles together. I can make words," said Wordbird. Wordbird put C with at. What did Wordbird make? That's right, a cat. Just then, Cat came to play. "I can make words too," said Cat. Cat put R with at. What word did Cat make? Rat. Then Wordbird put H with at. What did Wordbird make? Hat. "Let's play with hats," said Cat, and they did. Then Wordbird put V with an. What did Wordbird make? Van. Cat put P with an. What word did Cat make? Pan. Wordbird put F with an. What did Wordbird make? A fan. "I'm hot," said Cat. "Let's turn on the fan." Wordbird put B with egg. What did Wordbird make? Bag. Cat put fla with ag. What word did Cat make? Flag. "Let's make flags and march," said Wordbird. They marched and marched. Into the kitchen Mama gave them apples for a snack. "Let's make more words," said Wordbird. Wordbird put C with ab. What did Wordbird make? Cab. "Let's go to the sandbox in my cab," said Wordbird. "Let's play in the sand," said Cat. So they did. They made roads, lots of sand roads. They made hills, lots of sand hills. They made a sand castle, too. Wordbird was happy because Cat did not throw sand. Cat sat and played like a good cat. Then Mama said, "Come here, Wordbird. I have a puzzle for you." Mama put N with app. What did Mama make? Wordbird did not read the word. Wordbird was already taking a nap. You can read more word puzzles with Wordbird. Fat, lap, pat, man, rag, ran, tag, mad, cap, sad. Now you can make some word puzzles. The end. If you enjoyed the book, please subscribe. Hit the like button too. Gifts in the description. please donate at patreon.com/BigPapaScott or at PayPal at the address below. Thank you. Yay!